In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all Instagram posts at once, okay? Let's get started without wasting so much time. Open Instagram, then click on your profile picture here at the bottom to the right. Then click on the hamburger sign. The hamburger sign represents the three bars at the top. Click on it. Now scroll down and click your activity. Now you want to scroll down once again and click posts, okay? Now you will see options for selecting posts. Click on select. Then tap on all your posts that you want to delete, okay? Tap on all of them. Or you can filter the post from oldest to newest so that you can see all the posts that you want to delete. You can use that filter. Then just select them. Then click delete. By confirming this, you'll be able to delete all your posts on Instagram by just click of one button. Thank you guys. Let's meet in the next video.